So I know it's been a while since I filmed a video. I'm really sorry about that. I've been super busy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited about it and had a lot of fun filming it. So make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below and turn on post notifications by clicking the bell. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. First things first, we gotta give a shout out to my cousin for helping me make this video, so thank you so much. I'm starting by putting a blue tablecloth onto my table, and then we're gonna be making this super cool and cute and Instagram worthy flag dessert. Not only is it semi-healthy, but it's also really good, so let's get into it. Blueberries, strawberries, and yogurt covered pretzels are all you're gonna need, and I actually used white fudge covered pretzels. Could have just dipped my own pretzels in white chocolate, but you know, a little too lazy for that, and I was kind of on a time crunch, so yeah. Anyway, we're putting some blueberries into a small bowl and putting that in the top left corner. Actually just using a lid for this because I could not find the tray that I originally had for this. Not sure where it went. And then we're using strawberries and our white chocolate pretzels for the stripes. So it creates an American flag. Hashtag patriotic. Second thing that we're going to be making is this really cute pop, snap, and crackle little arrangement for our table. All we're going to need are snap pops, which are just like those little firework things that you throw on the cement and they pop, snap, whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to be using bubbles and sparklers. So I just wrote pop, snap, and crackle, and I just used electrical tape to put on these jars and then use a silver Sharpie to write the words. Honestly, all I did, because that's all I could find. I thought I had chalkboard labels, but again, I couldn't find those either, so we were just a hot mess for this video. But anyway, we're just going to put the bubbles into the pop jar, the snap pops into the snap jar, and these sparklers into the crackle jar. And boom, you got yourself a really cute and simple activity, plus it doubles as a decoration for your table. Next, we're going to be making these Instagram-worthy drinks. So they are layered and they're so much fun to make. And can we just talk about the struggle that I had while making this video? There was a humongous thunderstorm coming my way, guys. I'm not even joking, a humongous thunderstorm. Anyway, so I found these cute little milk bottles at Hobby Lobby, filled them all the way to the top with ice, and then I layered my drinks. So the one with the most amount of sugar goes on the bottom, and the one with the least amount of sugar goes on the top. I'll try to have a diagram because pictures are better than words, so there you go. Just make sure that you pour the second and third drinks really slowly over the top so that they don't mix. And guys, I thought the Mountain Dew USA was blue, and then I poured it into the glass and it was purple. I mean, I get it, red and blue make purple, but there is no purple in the American flag. Next, we're making these super amazing American flag shorts, which I am totally obsessed with, and I'm probably going to be wearing them all summer long. But anyway, I'm just using red and white fabric paint and then 2 different foam brushes to paint everything on, and I also created the star stencil myself, so yeah, no, I'm super great at that. Anyway, just painted the stars on, then I did the stripes, and actually the foam brush was the right width for the stripes, so that's literally all I did. I didn't even have to tape it off or anything. Let your shorts dry and follow the package directions to wash them, and you're done. Next, I'm making this like platter thing that you can use for the food that we're about to make. So all I did was get this plate and a candlestick at Dollar Tree, and then I super glued the plate onto the candlestick. It would actually have helped if I had found a star plastic platter, but I couldn't find one, so I had to opt for a paper plate. But yeah, it still works and it looked cool, so it's fine. So anyway, so now we're making ice cream sandwiches, and you guys, these are so simple, but they are so good. So I just made these double chocolate chip cookies, and then I use chocolate chip ice cream for the center. You just put some of the ice cream on one of the sides of the cookie, and then you put the other one on top. You squish it down a little bit and you roll it in the sprinkles. And guys, these are just amazing. They're like the 2 best things when it comes to dessert put together, and it's genius. I don't know who came up with this, but they were amazing, whoever it was. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below by clicking the big red button so that we can be friends. And also make sure to check out my social media links. They will be linked down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week/weekend, and I will see you all very soon. Bye guys!